CNP featured research. This is your Diet Mental Health Break number 45, brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology. 2 minutes to learn and be good to yourself. Stress changes feeding behaviors in mice. What about people? In many people, stress can affect the behavior related to food. Being under intense stress can make us lose our appetite and forget to eat. However, stress can also make us want to eat something like snacks and different highly palatable foods. This is called emotional eating. Numerous studies on humans confirmed the link between stress and changes in eating behaviors. However, the exact neural mechanisms through which this is achieved remained insufficiently understood. Study author Yusuke Fujioka and colleagues wanted to investigate how stress affects feeding behaviors of mice. They also wanted to identify physiological and neural mechanisms responsible for these changes. They conducted a series of experiments that exposed laboratory mice groups to different kinds of stress. Normally, when exposed to multiple food sources, mice tend to try food from all of them. However, mice exposed to stress tended to fixate on one of the food sources, eating mainly from it while devoting little time to exploring the other sources. This is called fixated eating. Furthermore, dopamine levels in the nucleus accumbens shell region of the brain did not increase after eating in these mice, the way they increased in mice not exposed to stress. When researchers injected dopamine into the nucleus accumbens shell region of the brain of stressed mice, their feeding behavior returned to normal. The study also identified a group of neurons going from the brain's ventral tegmental area to the nucleus accumbens that regulate these changes in feeding behaviors. When these neurons are inhibited, dopamine levels decrease, and mice display fixated eating. This study discovered a neural mechanism through which stress affects feeding behaviors in mice. While human behavior is much more complex than that of mice, mapping these neural circuits in mice will help scientists better understand and study human food-related behaviors. Our thanks to Yusuke Fujioka and colleagues for conducting this informative analysis. This Diet Mental Health Break is brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology, CNP.